Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will be buying QNT for multiple reasons in today's video, as this is another episode of Sunday Buys, where we buy crypto every single Sunday with a public portfolio, and in today's video we are spending $300. So I really would appreciate if you would leave a like down below on the video, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so in previous videos we've spoken about structure in a portfolio, and certain cryptos providing overall stability for the portfolio tend to be on the higher market cap side of things, with having somewhat lower risk. Cryptos that usually push forward for the strategy are BTC and Ethereum. The only problem with that strategy is it's more aimed towards people who are risk averse, already have a large amount of wealth that they're trying to maintain. And so to the average individual, the average investor, when it comes to BTC or Ethereum, a 2, 3, 4, 5x will not suffice. They want something a little bit more lucrative, so I have a solution. Instead of having a portfolio structured as high caps, mid caps, and low caps, rather mid caps, low caps, then micro caps. It might be more risky, but the returns will be much higher. And the mid caps in this public portfolio giving foundation will be QNT and Hbar, similar to the two high cap cryptocurrencies, but superior in every way possible. For example, QNT, like BTC, both scarce, but QNT is more scarce and has utility outside of digital payments and outside of just holding the cryptocurrency itself. Hbar, like Ethereum, a layer 1, but a superior technology in terms of finality, decentralization, watt hour per transaction, and more. And so these will be the biggest holds in the portfolio, hence why I'm buying more, providing the overall structure. Currently at 9.8 QNT and 11,915 Hbar, with the long-term goal before the bull run hitting 20 QNT and hitting 20,000 Hbar. And so not only is QNT the base of the portfolio, but also a safe bet with aggressive returns in terms of investment. Look at the team, for example. CEO and founder Gilbert Verdi, fantastic resume, ensuring confidence in the actual team itself. Also, in terms of partnerships with Fortune 500, recently with the Bank of International Settlements, also in terms of stellar tokenomics, one of the most important things of a project too many people overlook, which makes the investment actually profitable, and also the most important thing, a working product sought out by developers, banks, enterprise, government, and many more. And so we have a safe bet, we have high returns, and we have a high market cap, something you will not see with BTC or Ethereum, at least the one when it comes to aggressive returns. That one will be gone. Now moving on to profit taking with QNT specifically, I will be selling 50% near all-time high from the $300 to $400 ranges. Now you might say that is way too much to take profit on, but I personally sleep better at night with profit taken, or at least the original investment, out of the market. Now with my private portfolio, I will sell a lot less because I'm planning to hold some for the long term to never sell, possibly for gateways in the future. But for this portfolio, the public one, I want to sell all. And so a sale at $350, 50% of the portfolio, assuming we reach a goal of 20 QNT, that would be worth $5,000. And another sale of the portfolio, 20% worth from the $600 to $800 ranges. So a sale at $700, that would be worth $2,500. And another 20%, so 90% of the portfolio gone from the $1,000 to $1,200 ranges, so an average of $1,100, that would be worth $4,000. And the final 10% remaining, more based on gut feeling, more of a moonshot. If we go past those levels, we'll see what happens with that remaining 10%. So if we actually sell 90% of that portfolio at those price points predicted, the final result will be worth $11,000. But keep in mind, these prices might never be hit. Nothing is guaranteed. Market situations might happen where I have to change up my plan, but this is a rough idea for me personally to go by, and I suggest that you have one too. When prices are kicking up through the roof, emotions are flying, greed kicks in, there's a lot of things going on in the market. You have to have a rough idea when to take profit and when you actually plan to with your investment. So with that said, moving on to Qcoin, we are now going to buy $300 worth of QNT, purchase buy button market order. Once that finally goes through, There we go. And the final portfolios were $3,254. A reminder, the last episode was not recorded. I was away, but I did buy it anyways. I spent $200 worth, so $100 worth on QNT and $100 worth on NX Array. And if you're wondering where I store the crypto, the bulk of this crypto is on the Decent hardware cold wallet. These kind of links are down below in the description for your micro caps, for your low caps. Majority will be supported on this wallet. Go and check it out and let me know down below what are your profit taking strategies without mentioning how much crypto you actually have. There's a lot of scammers out there. Stay safe. But if it's fun video, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like down below and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.